The question is, aluminium, iron oxide is reacting together to form aluminium oxide and iron. The question, suppose that you are asked to calculate the amount of aluminium required to get 1120, nothing but 1120 kg of iron by the above reaction. So in the question is asking how much of aluminum is required to get 1120 kg of iron. So he gave the amount of output. By means of that, we need to calculate the input aluminum required. Is it clear, children? First of all, we need to write the balanced chemical equation. The skeleton equation given in the question is aluminum plus iron oxide. Both are reacting together to form aluminum oxide and iron. So first step is to be write the balanced chemical equation. It is the unbalanced chemical equation, which is a skeleton equation, or also called as primary equation. So in order to balance the chemical equation, now here I make the formula units of aluminum as 2, and there the formula units of iron are 2. By means of that, you will get the balanced chemical equation. From this equation, it is clear that 2 moles of aluminum is producing 2 moles of iron. From the balanced equation, we got the data this. Here, why should I took aluminum and iron relationship in the question itself? He asked the based on the given data, we need to calculate the amount of aluminum required to get 1120 kgs of iron. So that's why I established the relationship between aluminum and iron from the balanced chemical equation. This is the very important step while solving this kind of problem. First, you should balance the chemical equation. Then after, you need to establish the relationship between the required quantity and the given parameter or given quantity. That is the main thing. So 2 moles of aluminum, the weight of the aluminum in the question itself, we had given 27 units. Units are nothing but grams. In the olden system, we were using units. Nowadays, we are measuring that units in terms of grams. Units are expressed in terms of grams only. Don't get confused by using the symbol U. So 2 moles of aluminum, 2 times of aluminum weight is 27. So 2 times of 27 grams of aluminum is producing how many moles? 2 moles of iron. So 2 times of iron weight is 56 grams. Let us consider X kgs of aluminum is producing 1120 kgs. See, listen children, here I took the term kg. Why? Because in the question he had given 1120 kg. No need to convert these kgs into grams. Whenever you do cross multiplication, all the things are going to be get cancelled, and moreover you will get x in terms of kgs only. See, after solving the problem, you can get that answer. Don't bother about that. Now I am doing the cross multiplication. After doing the cross multiplication, you will get x into 2 times of 56, which will be is equal to 2 times of 27 into 1120 kg. Clear? Why? Because here 2 times of 56, this is in terms of grams. In the similar way, 2 times of 26, this term also in terms of grams. So these grams and these grams will get cancelled. By means of that, you will get the term kgs only. That's why I didn't convert the term 1120 kgs into grams. So after that, you will get 51 ones are 51, 2s are 112, again 10 is there. After that, these two and these two will get cancelled. The remaining will be x is equal to 27 into 20. 27 double, nothing but 54. 10 is there. That's why I kept here 10. So we need 550 kgs of aluminum to get 1120 kgs of iron. Thank you.
Please subscribe for more videos
Wow Academy for Physics. Thank you.